let's make a picture of a dog for the D sound. D. To make a dog face, simply make an oval for the head and two almost ovals for the ears on both sides. Make two ovals for the eyes, and down at the bottom make a nice big dog nose that you can fill in for the dog nose. Now, tracing is a good way to improve your fine motor skills, and simply try to stay on the lines and trace the dog face, little dog eyes. You can add some pupils, and then trace the dog ears. Now you may know how to write the word dog because you may have seen something very familiar like a puzzle to spell the word dog. But if you don't know, start out by the beginning sound, d, d, d. That's a D. And then you may only hear the ending sound, dog, g, g. That's a G. And as you learn your vowel rules, you'll know that there's missing a vowel. Dog, like octopus. D-O-G spells dog. There you go.